Happy New Year, everybody. I am back in Sedona today and got my bike all fixed up after that ride on South Mountain a couple weeks ago. They replaced the broken spokes, trued up both wheels, tightened the cassette and bottom bracket, straightened the derailleur hanger and got the shifting all dialed in, rebuilt the fork, and gave everything a nice deep clean. So I'm going for a bit of a shakedown ride today, just sticking to some trails I know around Broken Arrow. All right, starting with Little Horse. Doesn't even look like there's anybody up here. Yeah, it's totally empty up here. Wow. I don't think I've ever been to Chicken Point and it's completely empty. Definitely no one on the white line today. On to Broken Arrow we go. So if I didn't already mention, I am going to be coming back this same way as well. So we'll be going down all of this stuff that we're climbing. This spot's usually littered with Jeeps too. It's just kind of eerie. Riding Sedona all alone. It's usually so busy. All right, here's the start of Hogwash. So we're gonna do Hogwash over to the start of Pigtail. Go down that and loop back around Peccary and come back the way we came. Got dark over here. The sun went behind the rock. Ooh, there's still ice. Ooh. Yeah, there's ice all over that. I'll have to remember that on the way back. Here's the start of Pigtail. Take a quick break before we drop in. I forgot to mention before, in addition to all the work I got done on my bike, when I got it back, I took a few pounds of pressure out of the front fork. I've definitely felt the difference already on some of the smaller stuff. I'm curious to see how it feels here on Pigtail on the jumps and the drop. Oh my God, it feels so nice. A little sketchy at the end there, but that was awesome. My fork is feeling amazing. I think I went past my turn. Yeah, the bike felt awesome on that trail. All right, back to Hogwash. I remember this is the icy section coming up. Off the brakes. There's the end of Hogwash, jumping back on Broken Arrow now. Woo! So we are back on Little Horse now, and this will take me back to my vehicle. Whew. Hey. Woo. Well, that was the end of Little Horse. Got a tiny little pedal back to the parking lot, but we are pretty much finished. Bike definitely felt great. Shout out to the crew at Absolute Bikes and Flagstaff for getting me all tuned up.